This is the best fight I've ever seen in my life. The sound effects are epic. You have to watch this till the end. Here we go. In the red corner, we have the one and only Tung Sahur, and in the blue corner, we have the debutante white Labubu. Let's get it on. These two were going at it for a while, and let me tell you, it was brutal. But in the end, it was all worth it because of this one right here. This is what happens when you piss off a penguin. He literally just goes crazy. Look at him go. Now this is funny. But it gets even funnier because after this, the white Labubu tries to play it cool like nothing happened. Like he wasn't just dominated by a penguin. He's just like, I'm white. I'm white. But we all know what color he is now. We all saw what he did. Oh my God, this is amazing.